Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Karnal. Today we are going to learn about web servers. So basically what are web servers? Web servers are the systems that are connected to the internet and store web pages. In addition, it sends out requested data over the web using HTTP. So, web server is basically a computer program and hardware that delivers web content to the user over the internet. When user visits a website, their browser sends a request to the web server via HTTP. The web server then processes the request and sends the requested web pages back to the user. So, in the nutshell, like Apache, the web servers are just like libraries for the web pages. They store, process, and deliver the web resources to the web client software. Servers can also use other data transfer protocols like SMTP and FTP. So mail servers use SMTP for transferring emails from one user to another. Additionally, FTP servers used high-speed file transfer operations. So to handle high traffic, web servers use powerful hardware, traffic distribution, in which it includes like load balancing and cached content for faster delivery. Web servers are also used in web hosting, which is a process of hosting data for websites and web based applications. So, basically, on the hardware side, web server is a computer that stores web servers and software and websites component file. A web server connects to the internet and supports physical data interchange with other devices connect to the web. So what are the features of web servers? As a powerhouse of the internet, the web server is also responsible for hosting documents and processing them. It supports standard protocols, as we have already discussed, HTTP, FTP, SMTP, and SSH. Can serve static content as requested. Also, they can deliver dynamic content on demand, logging client information and request support, virtual hosting, ability to authorize or deny website path travel, and support for large files, bandwidth throttling, and custom page in the error pages. It includes custom error pages also. So this is it for the web servers. We will continue with our next video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you.